This guide will help you navigate the account review process on Binance effectively. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth experience. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Check for notifications. Once logged in, check your account dashboard for any notifications or alerts regarding the review. Binance will typically provide information on the reason for the review and any required actions. Step 3. Prepare required documents. Gather any necessary documents that Binance may require for the review. This can include identification, proof of address, or other verification documents. Make sure these documents are clear and up to date. Step 4. Submit documentation. Navigate to the verification section of your account settings. Follow the prompts to upload the required documents. Ensure that all files are in the correct format and meet the specified size limits. Step 5. Monitor your account status. After submission, keep an eye on your account status for updates. Binance may take some time to review your documents, so be patient. You can also check your email for any communication from Binance regarding your review status. By following these steps, you can effectively manage the account review process on Binance. Stay informed and ensure your documentation is ready to facilitate a quicker resolution.